Hi friends, welcome to Study Fun 2 channel. In this video, we will see previous year FDA or SDA Polity questions. And first question is, consider the following functionaries: Cabinet Secretary, Chief Election Commissioner, Union Cabinet Minister, Chief Justice of India. The correct sequence in the order of precedence. Precedence means agrate. So the correct sequence is Chief Justice of India comes first, Union Cabinet Minister comes second, Chief Election Commissioner comes third, and fourth one is Cabinet Secretary. The correct right option is option number 3, DCBA. So this is the right option. In the original list of order of precedence, first comes President and second comes Vice President, and third is Prime Minister, and fourth is governors within their respective states, and fifth one is former president, and next deputy president, deputy prime minister, deputy PM. After him comes Chief Justice of India, then cabinet minister. So this is how the list continues. Second question, what is the duration of the term of the Chief Information Commissioner or Information Commissioner? Options are, there is no fixed term, the commissioner work till the pleasure of the president. Second option, appointed for a term of 5 years or till the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Third option, appointed for a term of 3 years or till the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. And fourth option, appointed till the commissioner reaches the age of 70 years. So the correct option is 2, appointed for a term of 5 years or till the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. And we should know the duration of other functionaries like Chief Justice of India, Chief Election Commissioner. Okay, these are very important. These are very often asked in other exams like Group C, KS, and FDA also. Third question, the states of the Indian Union can be reorganized or their boundaries can be altered by. Options are, first option, an executive order of the Union government with the consent of the concerned state government. Second option, the Union Parliament by a simple majority in the ordinary process of legislation. Third option, 2/3 majority of both the houses of the Parliament. Fourth option, 2/3 majority of both the houses of the Parliament and the consent of the concerned state. So the correct option is the Union Parliament by a simple majority in the ordinary process of legislation. By this simple majority, they can reorganize the state boundaries and union territories boundaries. Fourth question is, which of the following fundamental rights are available to Indian citizens but not to aliens? In these four, freedom of expression and speech is only available to Indian citizens, not to aliens, and right of minorities to conserve their language and culture. This is also only available to Indian citizens, not to aliens. But equality before law and protection of life and liberty are available to both Indian citizens as well as aliens. So the correct option is B and C. B and C is the correct option. Which of the following are correctly matched? Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, fundamental rights, this is correct. Part 2 of the Constitution, citizenship, this is also correct. Part 4A of the Constitution, fundamental duties, this is also correct. Part 5 of the Constitution, so this is wrong. Directive principles of state policy come under Part 4 of the Constitution. And part 1 is Union and its territories. So you should know these these 5 parts, these are very important. Next question is, which article of the Constitution of India directs that the state shall endeavor to protect and improve environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country? So the article 48A is comes under, it is under directive principles of state policy, and this gives that the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. Next question. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha may be removed from the office by the option number 1, the majority party in the House adopting no confidence motion. This is wrong. A resolution passed by not less than half of the total membership of the House. So this is also wrong. A resolution passed by at least 2/3 of the total membership of the House. This is also wrong. A resolution passed by a majority of all the members of the House. So this is the right option. A resolution passed by majority of all the members of the House. And question number 8. Which of the following vetoes are the President of India vested with? Absolute veto, yes. Suspensive veto, yes. Pocket veto, yes. But not qualified veto. This qualified veto is with USA President and not with Indian President. So the correct option is ABC. Next question. Article 156 of the Constitution of India provides that a governor shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office. Which of the following can be deduced from the above article? No governor can be removed from his office till the completion of his term. So this is wrong. No governor can continue in the office beyond the period of 5 years. This is also wrong. So we have seen many circumstances that governor are removed before the completion of 5 years, and no governor, okay, they can continue until their successor is chosen. So we should not let the governor post empty. That's why they will continue after 5 years till their successor is chosen. So the option is neither A nor 2 are correct. Neither A nor B are correct. 10th question. Consider the following statements. The Chief Justice of India holds office for 6 years or until he attains the age of 65 years. The judges of the Supreme Court can resign from the office by writing to the Chief Justice of India. The judges of the Supreme Court can be removed from his office by the President on the recommendation of the Parliament. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? So only option C, statement C is correct, and this is wrong, this is also wrong. So the answer is option 3. Okay, the judge of the Supreme Court, the judges of the Supreme Court can be removed from his office by the President on the recommendation of the Parliament. This is the right option. 11th question. Which of the following statements regarding the Rajya Sabha is correct? The maximum permissible strength of the Rajya Sabha is 250 members. Yes, this is right. In the Rajya Sabha, 238 members are elected indirectly from the states and union territories. This is also correct. It shares legislative powers equally with the Lok Sabha in the matters such as creation of All India services. This is wrong. It has high power in the matter of creation of All India services compared to Lok Sabha. So the correct options are A and B. Option number 1 is correct. 12th question. The habeas corpus writ means. First option, order of the court to an inferior authority to do an act which falls within its jurisdiction. So this is called mandamus. This is not habeas corpus, mandamus. Order of the court to prohibit an inferior authority from doing an act which does not fall within its jurisdiction. This is called prohibition. Prohibition. This is not habeas corpus. And order of the court directing the authority to produce the detained person in the court. Yes, this is called habeas corpus. This is called habeas corpus. Option number 3 is correct. And option 4, order of the court to an inferior authority to transfer the matter to it or to some other authority. This is called certiorari. So option 3 is correct. Option number 3 is habeas corpus. Next question. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with the provisions related to amendment? Article 368. Article 368 is correct answer. It deals with amendment. Samvidhanada Tiddupadi. Article 368 amendment. So part 2, Article 5 to 11 of the Constitution deals with principles and rules governing citizenship. So part 2 deals with citizenship, and fundamental rights come under part 3, and fundamental duties part 4a. Method of amendment is come under, it is not come under these parts. Okay. 15th question. Employment of child labor is considered as crime under which of the following act? The Industries Act, Dowry Prohibition Act, Criminal Law Amendment Act, Indecent Representation of Women Act. So according to the Industrial Act, employment of child labor is considered as crime. Option number 1 is correct. Opportunity for workers. Participation in management of industries is secured under which of the following? So opportunity for workers' participation in management is secured under directive principles of state policy. Question number 17. Which among the following statement is true regarding introduction of money bill? It can be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. No, this is wrong. And it can be introduced in either house of the parliament. This is also wrong. It can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. This is the right option. Question number 18. Who participates in the election proceedings of the Indian president? The members of parliament, the members of legislative council and legislative assembly, the members of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and legislative councils, the members of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and legislative assembly. So option number 4 is correct. The members of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and legislative assemblies are the one who participates in the president election. So next video we will continue with part 2. So to get the more videos like this and to get tricks videos based on tricks to remember the fundamental duties like that, just subscribe to our channel and like the video. So thank you guys.